Topic of the video is types of epiphysis. Let's see definition, types of epiphysis with examples. Epiphyses are the ends of long bones which ossify from secondary centers. Four types of epiphysis are pressure, traction, atavistic, aberrant. Pressure epiphyses are covered by articular cartilage, transmit body weight like head of femur and humerus, lower end of radius. Traction epiphyses are produced by pull of muscles like trochanters of femur and tubercles of humerus. These are non-articular. Atavistic epiphyses are independent bones that fuse with nearest bone for nutrition. They grow like a parasite like coracoid process and os trigonum. Aberrant epiphyses appear at unusual end of a short long bone like epiphysis at the head of first metacarpal.